everyone! I am back! Welcome to TV Escuela. This is Teacher Bessi Nervous Bañez of Lagab Elementary School, Compostela West District, your Mathematics 5 teacher. To our pupils, parents, and guardians, please prepare your self-learning modules or SLMs for Mathematics 5 Quarter 2, Module 1, Reading and Writing of Decimal Numbers with your pen and paper. To our Grade 5 learners, take time to read, understand, and perform the different activities in the module. If you encounter any difficulty in answering the tasks in this module, do not hesitate to consult your teacher or facilitator. Always bear in mind that you are not alone. We hope that through these materials, you will experience meaningful learning and gain deep understanding of the relevant competencies. Are we all ready? I believe we all are. Sit back, relax, prepare yourselves for new learning. After going through this lesson, you are expected to give the place value of a given decimal number through 10 thousandths. And give the value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10 thousandths. In giving the value of a given decimal number through 10 thousandths, you are to: number 1. Identify the place value of the digit as tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and 10 thousandths. Number 2. One place to the right of the decimal point has a value of tenths. Number 3. Two places to the right of the decimal point has a value of hundredths. Number 4. 3 places to the right of the decimal point has a value of thousandths. And number 5. 4 places to the right of the decimal point has a value of 10 thousandths. Now, let's begin. On page 1 of your module, let us answer the activity entitled, Let Us Try. Together, we shall read and understand carefully, and you shall choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. In this number, 8.6592, which digit is in the hundredths place? A. 8, B. 6, C. 5, D. 9. The correct answer is C. 5. Number 2. Give the value of the underlined digit in 9.2743. A. 0.0003. B. 0.003. C. 0.03. Or letter D, 0.3. The correct answer is A, 0.0003. Number 3. What is the place value of the underlined digit in 0.8106? A. Tenths. B. Hundredths. C. Thousandths. Or letter D. 10,000ths. The correct answer is D. 10,000ths. You are doing a fantastic job. After doing the activity, you are now led to our first lesson, giving the place value and the value of a digit of given decimal number through 10,000ths. What do you think is the concept of a decimal? Are you familiar with the mathematical term decimal? Let me elaborate. Decimals are used to represent numbers that are not whole. Decimals are written with a decimal point. Look at this figure. The shaded part can be named in two ways. That is, 1/10 as a fraction and 0.1 as a decimal. Let us further elaborate through this given word problem. Carlos' father works in Hong Kong. He receives his salary in dollars. 1 Hong Kong dollar is equivalent to 6.2314 pesos. What is the value of each digit in 6.2314? Learners, 6.2314 is an example of a mixed decimal number. It consists of integer, whole number 6, and a decimal, 0.2314. Look and study the place value chart. Let's discuss the chart. The decimal point separates the whole number and the decimals. The whole number on the left portion of the decimal point and the decimals on the right portion of the decimal point. Notice that the place value chart shows the value of each digit, both the whole numbers and the decimals. In 6.2314, 2 is in the tenths place. Its value is 0.2. 3 is in the hundredths place. Its value is 0.03. Did you follow? Which digit do you think is in the thousandths place? Yes, it's 1. What is its value? Its value is 0.001. Which digit do you think is in the 10,000ths place? Yes, it's 4. What do you think is its value? Its value is 0.0004. Have you got it right? Very well. Now, We are ready to proceed. Let us practice. At the bottom part of the third page in your module, you shall see the same place value chart. Given this place value chart, we shall one by one answer the following questions. Notice that some questions in your modules are already answered. That shall guide us to some of the unanswered questions. We begin. Number 1. What separates the whole number from decimals? What separates the whole number from decimals? The correct answer is decimal point. Remember that a decimal point separates the whole number from decimals. Number 2. What do we call the numbers after the decimal point? What do we call the numbers after the decimal point? It's decimal numbers. You're right. We call the numbers after the decimal point the decimal numbers. Number 3. How many places from the decimal point is the thousands place? How many places from the decimal point is the thousands place? It says there 3 places. And it is correct. The thousands place is 3 places from the decimal point. Number 4. How many places from the decimal point are the 10,000s place? How many places from the decimal point are the 10,000s place? Of course, you are certainly right. 4 places. Since thousands is 3 places from the decimal point, 10,000s is 4 places from the decimal point. That is easy to remember, right? Number 5. Look again at the given place value chart. What is the place value of the digit 7? What is the place value of the digit 7? It is written there, tenths. And I believe you got that too. The digit 7 place value is tenths. Number 6. What is the place value of digit 8? What is the place value of digit 8? You got a good eye. Fantastic. The place value of the digit 8 is 10,000s. Again, that is 10,000s. Good job. Number 7. What is the value of the digit 3? What is the value of the digit 3? You can see there 0.03. That is because the digit 3's place value is in the hundreds place, making its value 0.03. That's easy to remember. Number 8. What is the value of digit 5? What is the value of digit 5? The digit 5's place value is in the thousands place, is it? Yes. Therefore, its value shall be 0.005. Again, that's 0.005. That activity has been challenging and at the same time helpful that enabled you to master the decimal concepts. Let's practice more. On this next activity, you shall be given a number and with 10 seconds, you shall give the place value and the value of the digit 3. Again, give the place value and value of the digit 3 in each given numbers. Number 1. 0.8139. Again, 0.8139. What is the place value and the value of 3? Time starts now. Time's up. Let's check your answer. The place value of 3 is? Yes, it's thousands. The digit 3 is in the thousands place. Therefore, its value is 0.003. Are you right? Congratulations! Let's have number 2. 5.3942. Again, 5.3942. What is the place value and the value of 3? Your 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Let's check your answer. The place value of 3 is? The digit 3 is in the tens place. This gives us 0.3 as its value. Again, its place value is tens place and its value is 0.3. That must have been clear and easy. Let us remember. In giving the value of a given decimal number through 10 thousandths, we shall identify first the place value of the digit as tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and 10 thousandths. It is important to identify first its place value so that giving its value shall be made quick and easy. Let us have your final guided activity. On your screen is a table with few blank columns. I want you to give the value and the place value of the underlined digit. Notice that the first item is done for you. You shall be given 30 seconds to complete the chart. Are you ready? Your time starts now. Are you done? Let's check your answer. For number 2, the underlined digit is 7. Its value is 0.07 because its place value is in the hundredths place. I believe you have done that quick and easy. Number 3. The underlined digit is 9. Did you write 0.0009 as its value? Then you are correct. That is because its place value is in the 10,000s place. Finally, number 4, the underlined digit is 8. Its value is 0.8 because its place value is in the tenths place. You are fantastic! That must have been pretty easy for you. Now, it's time to do your activities by yourself. On page 5, answer the remaining activities for Lesson 1, Let Us Enhance, and Let Us Reflect. I hope that you shall observe honesty and integrity in doing the tasks and checking your answers further. Your scores shall tell you how much you have learned. Remember to finish the task at hand before proceeding to the next. Study further the next lessons and modules your respective math teachers in your school will give you. And I strongly encourage you to master not one, but all other mathematical skills. That would bring us to the end of our lesson for today. I hope you have enjoyed learning mathematics, and I assure you, learning some more will make you love mathematics. I will see you again next time, future mathematics geniuses. This is Teacher Bessi, Aya, and Bañez. Sabay-sabay dito sa TV Eskwela, sa pag-aaral, sama-sama. Bye-bye!